This is a good question, very good question, very good question. I give you 30 seconds to read it once and try. 30 seconds. Take 30-second time, read it and try it once. Take 30-second time. It is stating that two metal sheet. Try 30 seconds. I'm giving metal sheet. Okay. It is telling metal sheet. Try 30 seconds. Now, no worry. Any answer? Okay, no worry. It is telling that it is having a two metal sheet parallel to each other, like this, parallel to each other, and they are sheet. Remember, sheet. Whenever you see the sheet, you remember electric field is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Okay. Now they are parallel to each other, having equal and opposite charges. That means if it is having sigma charge density, it will have minus sigma charge density. Now it is telling that their opposite charge density of and the charge density is also given. Sigma is equal to given 0.17. Pico means 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb per meter square. This is given. Now what will be the electric field? Okay, this is a mysterious question. Electric field, we have to find the electric field in between the field here, right side and left side. Three reasons. First reason, second reason and third reason. Now for first reason, we are calculating for first reason, reason 1. What will happen here? Here for this charge density, that is plate A and plate B. For plate A, electric will be outside like this, sigma by 2 epsilon naught, and by charge B, plate B, it will be inside like this electric field, and it will be sigma by 2 epsilon naught, because this is, because we know negative charge, electric field enters into it. That's why electric field will be inside. So for the outside, what we will get? E out. Here what we will get? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus minus of sigma by 2 epsilon naught, that will be 0. And similarly for third also, E out will be 0. We can see here for this B plate, electric will be this side, and for A plate, electric will be this side, and net will be 0. Now second reason, in between the two plates, what will it happen? For plate A, electric will be this side, electric field will be this side, it will be sigma by 2 epsilon naught, and for this plate B, electric will be towards B, that is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is 2, this is away from A, and this is towards B. Okay, what will be the electric field? We will say that electric field inside will be sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. What we will get? We will get sigma by epsilon naught, and you can solve this. You can solve this and you will get the answer. Any problem till now? Any problem till now? Any problem? We can say here. Look after this. Okay, any problem? Okay, good. So remember, we will be using this similar concept in chapter capacitor. So remember, there we will recall this once.